Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Sony WH-CH520 with the Q20 by Soundcore. The first thing is the battery life. This is like really good site, the ratings.com. I definitely recommend to check it out. Now the first thing is that the WH-CH got better battery life by nearly 20 hours, the continuous battery life, total battery life, and also the charge time. Charge time is a little bit better for the Q20, but also important thing, this is going to be pretty important with Sony. You can have USB-C, so this is huge thing, and you can have also standby mode, because you have only micro USB with the Q20, and when I see a product with micro USB, that means for me that this is like 2012, and I really like that Sony got USB-C point. So for that regard, the battery life is better. Now when we're gonna look here on the actually quality of both of these, we can see that the Sony, like, these are just like, I wouldn't say the top of the, like, you know, the quiet comfort or the AirPods Max. So they are okay-ish. In this regard, the Sony is better comparing to Anker, but it really depends also what is your preference about both. And now also the Q20 got noise cancelling, so this is also a huge thing. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.